What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to reset BillEase account password. So in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly reset your BillEase account password here. Well, resetting your BillEase account password is fairly easy. So if you still have access to your BillEase account here, you can actually do it inside the app. So what you need to do is you want to open up the BillEase app here, and you just need to click on the account option that you see at the bottom right of your screen. You should see account password, go ahead and just press on it, and you should be able to basically reset your password here. Now from here, you just need to enter your current password, your new password here, and in this case, the confirmation of the new password. But once you've read all the necessary information here, you can go and click on Save Changes. But just in case you've forgotten your password, you can go and choose the Forgot Password option here. And you just need to basically confirm your email, and it's going to send a reset link here on your email address. You just need to press that link that you'll be receiving here to basically reset your account password. But yeah, so in this case, that's how you reset your password inside the app. But if you're logged out from your account here, you can just click on the forgot password you see here on the sign in page. And once you've basically done that, it's going to ask you to enter the email. And again, just click on reset here. And again, it will send a link on your email address. Just press that link here and just update your password once you've accessed the web page for resetting your password. But in this case, that's about it. So in this case, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.